In this video, we'll take a look at what's on the Edsby home screen for school administrators and how to navigate through Edsby. When I log into Edsby, I'm shown a home page which serves as a dashboard, letting me quickly and easily get to any content I might need. Up at the top, we have this blue bar, which presents a number of tools holding content that is specific to me. For example, over here we can see I've got a message center where I can see messages that people have sent to me privately. There's a shortcut for a calendar, a launch pad for commonly used bookmarks that I might use, a spot here for notifications inside Edsby, and a personal folder where I can set up things like rubrics or test sheets that I might set up for my students. In the middle of the screen, right across the top, we have the news river. This is a common place where news and announcements might be shared for the whole school. Items that are posted to the news river are visible to every staff member, every student, and every parent that logs into Edsby. Over here along the left, we have the school, which in this case is Twine Academy. If I open this up, this will give me access to some of the school-wide resources, including a list of all school staff, and I can see the school calendar from here. Anytime I'm inside an area of Edsby and I need to get back to my home screen, there are two ways of doing that. I can either use the home link next to my name, or over on the left, I can click the Edsby icon, and that will take me back to the home screen. Below our school, there are a number of other panels. For example, the classes panel will list any classes that I am responsible for. So if I am a teacher or a co-teacher for classes, those will appear in this panel. Below that, you may see an applications panel depending on which options you have enabled within Edsby. In this example, we can see that this particular school is using the community service tracking application. They have the emergency alerts application, and they're also utilizing Edsby to manage their website. In the center, we have a number of groups that, in this case, the school principal, Mr. Corsi, is a part of, including, we can see a professional learning community, a place here for parent connection. We have an all-staff group. So any groups that I belong to will be a part of that groups panel. And below the groups panel is a section here for recent activity. For staff, the recent activity feed is going to notify us of updates to student panoramas for any students that you are responsible for. And then along the right, there are a couple more panels that are important. Under Twine Academy, we have a set of what we call the Edsby Zooms. And a Zoom is simply a way of getting into data that is school-wide data for a number of different functions. For example, the attendance Zoom allows me to see all of the different attendance incidents that might have happened on a particular day, or all of the planned absences that parents have reported. When I return home and look at other parts of the Zoom, I can see that there is a student Zoom that lets me see all of the students that are members of the school. Or I can look at the classes Zoom and see all of the classes that are taught, that are currently active inside the school. And then finally, along the right side here, I have my calendar. Now, the calendar on my home screen is actually a roll-up of every event that is pushed to the school calendar, plus all of the events that are part of any classes that I participate in and any groups that I'm a member of. So that school calendar is a wonderful way to see everything going on, organized based on what's happening today, tomorrow, this week, and next week. So that is your Edsby home screen. Enjoy.